My name is Jazzy. I'm a nurse and I like talking about acne. Today we're going to talk about the big 4 causes of acne. We've already gone over some of them. Now we're going to go over the big one, dairy. But not all dairy, just some dairy. So what about dairy? Dairy contains testosterone components that stimulate oil glands in the skin to make more oil, also called sebum. This excess oil leads to acne. Excess oil glues together dead skin cells and side skin pores so that the cells cannot exit naturally, which leads to clogged pores. Dairy has high levels of insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, which is involved in body growth and development. IGF-1 stimulates the growth of oil-producing glands, making the sticky oil that contributes to acne. There are 60 hormones like testosterone and progesterone found in your average glass of milk. IGF-1 is in all types of milk: skim, whole, buttermilk, butter, whey protein, and dairy cream. Skim milk is more likely to lead to acne because it has more sugar and proteins. It's encouraged that you read all ingredient labels carefully to avoid milk. Here's a picture. 1 person, 1 month, no dairy. Very grateful that he shared that photo with us. On the bright side, fermented dairy products such as yogurt and cheese may be less problematic for your skin. Studies have found that yogurt lowers the release of insulin, so it may be that fermentation changes proteins or carbohydrates in dairy. You can also avoid eating dairy completely to see how your skin reacts. If you choose to eliminate dairy, you must get calcium from other sources. Leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale actually have greater sources of calcium than milk. So for this big 4, which is dairy, it's encouraged that you avoid dairy, especially milk. And you can kind of test things by eliminating dairy for 2 weeks to see if you see a change in your skin, then slowly kind of incorporating things back. Or not, depending on what works for you. Subscribe to the channel for all acne information and check out my book, Make Acne Stop, the only dictionary for all things acne. Thanks and see you next time.